Hi folks, welcome to Guaranty RV in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. Today we're going to be looking at this nice 2013 Surveyor. It's a SV304 model. It's really nice. It's pre-owned, but it's in great shape. It's got the bigger propane tanks. It's got protection up front from your rock chips. Nice big pass-through storage here. And let's take a look inside. See what we got. Personally, I've never seen a unit with this big of a couch before, but this is a big pop out with a nice big table. The table is movable, so you can slide it down wherever you want to eat, I guess. You got good counter space, double sink, 3-burner cooktop, microwave, nice fridge and freezer. Your entertainment center here, of course, that flips around into the bedroom when the doors are shut. Back here, what's really cool is you've got another bunk bed up here, a bed here, and a bed here, so you could actually sleep 4. This turns into a bed as well, but it's a dining area that's separate for the kids. Got nice windows in here, nice little skylight, plenty of lights, and like I said, this part will fold down and you got another bunk. Really cool unit. Inside here in the bathroom, we got a nice, good sized bathroom, nice tub and shower with the skylights to give you a little extra headroom. And then let's take a step back in here to the bedroom. Oh, also, we got a nice counter addition, which I love, those little pop-out counter spaces. Nice, good-sized bed. Nice storage on the side. Nice closet. Storage up top. You got a vent above and 2 nice windows for a good side breeze when it gets hot. Anyways, this is a beautiful pre-owned unit, one of several that we have here at Guaranty RV. If you're interested in a unit, don't wait, get down here and see me, or give me a call, 951-443-8323. Ask for Big Sal. Thanks.